Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can recover recently deleted images on a Samsung Android phone. So I'm currently using a Samsung S9 running Android 10, however it should be similar on all of the Samsung models. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the camera app, and then I will go to my most recently taken photo, and I'm now going to pretend to have accidentally deleted it. If I just delete it like so, it will now be moved to the trash. So what we need to do is we need to open up the gallery app, so we can then access the trash and recover the image from there. So I'm just going to go home, and then you need to find the gallery app on your phone, and then you need to open the gallery app up, and then once you have the gallery app opened up, you would then want to find the three dots, and you want to press on it, and then once you press on the three dots, you then want to find the trash option, and you then want to tap on it, and that will show you all of your images that you have in the trash at the minute. So you then want to find the image that you want to recover, so that is the image here for me. And then to recover it, you just want to press the round circular arrow down here that will recover it. So if we press on that, the image has now been restored. So if I now come back to my camera app, and again, as you can see, the image is now back in the gallery. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. Hopefully it worked for you. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.